Hi, I'm Melissa Fritz. Welcome to 30 and 30. Let's go. Well, we are at my house today with my husband, Stuart.
Hi.
I called a company called TruBlue.
Okay.
They're coming in to do a safety assessment.
All right.
Because you know how concerned I am about this house.
I know, you're concerned. Do you think that I'm ready for a walker?
No, but you will be if you fall down those stairs.
Right.
Hi
there.
Oh, that's Napa. Sorry.
That's okay.
That's our dog.
Good girl.
Oh my goodness.
Hi, I'm Tim.
Hi, Tim, Melissa.
Stu, nice to meet you guys.
Nice to
Thank you
meet
for having
you.
us out today.
Hi, I'm Emma.
Okay.
Hi, Emma. Nice to meet you, Melissa.
So just a little information on me and my company.
Okay, come on in.
Sure.
TruBlue is a handyman and home modification company for everybody, but we do specialize in keeping seniors safe in their home. So we can provide a free home safety assessment and then walk through your house and make recommendations about what you could do to make your house a little bit safer, especially as you are aging in place.
It's nice that you do have the handrails. I would like to see them extend all the way down to past the landing.
Okay.
That just makes it easier to get up that first step. I decided to get into this business because I had an opportunity come up where my previous employment ended and we were looking at different things to do. And being that my wife works with seniors and we love helping out seniors, we found TruBlue. We loved their philosophy, loved what they stood for, and decided that it was the right move for us to be able to help seniors age in place safely at home. I actually prefer wood because carpet can get wrinkles in it and needs to be restretched, and the only thing with rugs is you want to make sure that they are secured down so that they don't become a tripping hazard or that they're not real plush rugs.
It's definitely important for everyone to be safe in their homes. I know I've taken falls down the stairs myself, so having secure hand railings, having zero-way entries, and just safe ways to get around is definitely very important.
So I just want to go over some of the different options of different types of modifications that we can make.
Okay.
That we have. These are some of the most common ones. They're, first of all of the employees that I hired are my employees. So I do background checks on everybody before I hire them. They go through an extensive interview process. I'm not just pulling in anybody that says they can do the type of work that we're looking to have done. They're all covered under my builder's license with the state of Minnesota.
At TruBlue, we're reliable. And then we're fully transparent with our estimates too. We're not trying to sell you on extra things or sneak things past you. We want to make sure that you know all of the work that TruBlue is doing and make sure that everything is up front before the work actually begins. Our reputation is very important to us.
Well, I'm not sure how long we'll be able to stay here, but we did get some great advice from TruBlue. I'll see you next time.